this is a hybrid of Aqualegia. I don't think I care for this color at all, but the flowers are bigger than the regular Columbine, and the flowers are more intricate. But they come in all different colors, like pinks, and they're just made by a crosses between various Aqualegia species. Come in a wide range of colors, in cream and white and pink. And here's some pink ones right here, purple and red and various. Here is the Columbine before it's been hybridized, and I prefer that way above these other ones. Well, I hope that you liked this video. I just wanted to answer what hybrid Columbine was, and if I was able to do that for you, then can you please subscribe to this channel? And thanks a lot, and goodbye.